Hey guys, welcome to Winter Storm 2021 Day 2. Trying to stay warm. We got power just for a minute this morning. We were able to make a cup of coffee, pot of coffee. We're living on coffee here to keep us warm. We don't have to keep the milk in the fridge anymore. We just keep it on the counter. It stays colder than it does in the fridge. Maybe the sock will help keep us warm.
What?
What was that about?
What was that about?
I think that we have a sock in there yesterday.
What if I get...
That's where the water comes out of.
What if I get a boom boom thing, a tank thingy?
Boom, boom. Hey, Mommy.
You know, so gross, guys. Yesterday, a bunch of beautiful birds came in the yard. I thought it was just so pretty. They were covering the trees. I come outside and look at the pool, and there's literally poop all over the ice right here, all over the rocks where they were sitting over there. And inside the pool, there's like a stream of poop you can see going down into the drain area. Like literally a stream of it. They basically turned the water green after they came and did their business and left. Wow, this ice looks really pretty though. Look at this. This feels pretty solid. Oh my gosh. That is insane. A couple days we could probably ice skate on this. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I'm standing on the pool. Alright, held 20 pounds. Let's see, whole 30 pounds. Crazy. I can hold 30 pounds. Probably hold me. Oh my gosh. Huh? Maybe I should lay down. Uh-oh. You're cracking. Oh. Alright guys, we are headed off to Bebo's now. Tomorrow's supposed to be even worse than today, so we can't do this again. Last night was horrible. How'd you girls sleep last night? I was really concerned about you too, actually.
I couldn't even sleep.
You did it?
No. Me neither.
I was kind of towards the edge, but
Did you guys stay warm together? Stayed in the same sleeping bag?
Yeah.
You did, okay.
Go. Oh no, go. Wait, her leg's stuck. Uh-oh. Go.
What?
Bebo!
I got the
Finger in there and turn the light on.
Look, somebody.
We actually decided to go to the cabin. So cool, we get to be at the cabin in the snow. Look how awesome that looks.
It does look really cool.
Look at the snow on the sign.
Oh my gosh! Did you ever think you'd see it in a blanket of
Never
snow?
thought I'd never
It does
see
look
it
like
this.
new Play-Doh when you cut it right.
What do you smell, Oreo? Is there something out here? Something was out here. He smells it, whatever it is.
Oh my goodness, it's so fluffy.
So fluffy, huh, Jules? What'd you find, Jules? You eating the snow? Oh my gosh, look at that table.
Oh my goodness, it looks like a whole muffin.
It looks like a muffin, doesn't it? Put your face in it.
No.
Oh, look at that table.
Daddy said to put it.
Look how deep the snow is here.
No.
Abram, look, they have a sled spot. They've been sledding right here. There's a huge, they were sledding right here. That's where they were walking up and they were going down right here. Well guys, one of the biggest reasons we came out here is because our pipes froze here at the cabin and we have people coming in next week and I wanted to get here to see if I can thaw them out, but I don't think, after looking at it, I don't think it's going to be possible. There's not much water and snow. That was a lot of snow I removed. I got it above the filter, so that's good. Now I got to get it above the jets and then get inside of it. Oh, that's gonna be nice. Even though it looks like it just started doing a mixture of ice and snow. Anyway guys, hey, thanks for joining us. We'll catch you tomorrow. Don't forget, he loves you. And remember to love each other. It's 20 pounds. Insane. Let's see if I can break this. Here we go, here's a good spot. What? It's crazy. Wow.